Whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting, this comprehensive guide is your go-to resource. In this video, I'll briefly share some very interesting terms related to color mastery. Feel free to discover more about these terms and use it in your next design projects. And without any further ado, let's get started with color gamut. It is the realm of color that a device or medium can faithfully reproduce. It's the science behind how accurately colors are represented in various contexts, from digital displays to print. Understanding color gamut is essential for designers as it ensures that their creative work appears as intended across different mediums, offering a consistent and true-to-life visual experience. Next up is Pantone Matching System, or PMS. It stands as the industry's gold standard for precision in color selection. Designers rely on this comprehensive color matching system to ensure exact color reproduction across various materials and media. By referencing the Pantone color codes, they achieve consistency and accuracy, essential for branding and design projects. Our next key term is color harmony, which is the art of orchestrating colors to evoke emotions and elevate design. It invokes the skillful blending of colors to create a visually pleasing and emotionally resonant composition. Designers use color harmony to strike the right balance, ensuring that colors work together cohesively and elicit specific feelings, whether it's calm and serene with analogous colors or vibrant and energetic with complementary ones. It's a powerful tool for crafting visuals that engage and communicate effectively. Color grading. The art of refining and enhancing the colors in visual content, such as photos and videos. It allows creators to manipulate color tones, contrast, and mood to convey a specific atmosphere or style. For example, in digital advertisements, color grading is often employed to ensure product images or videos align with the brand's identity. This might involve adjusting the colors to match the company's logo or creating a consistent visual style across various marketing materials. Whether for film, photography, or digital media, mastering color grading is essential for achieving stunning and emotionally resonant visuals. Let's conclude this section with the commonly used term color palettes. These are the foundation of visual design, allowing artists and designers to curate distinctive and harmonious sets of colors. These palettes are the building blocks for creating logos, websites, illustrations, and much more. By mastering the art of color palettes, designers can infuse their creations with personality and coherence, ensuring that every element fits seamlessly into the overall design concept. I hope you have found inspiration and valuable insights for your creative endeavors. Mastering these design terms isn't just about knowing the lingo. It's your key to unlocking innovation, refining project scopes, and enhancing user experiences. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know your favorite design term or share your ideas for future videos. Until next time, hasta la vista, chiro!